I'm a lawyer who believes that the law is here to help people. That's what the law is about. We began in 2016 a medical legal partnership that became known as Lawyers for Kids. We screen patients and then refer them on a priority basis where they would get free legal services to help address and equal the playing field.
Lily was going to Children's Hospital for counseling. She has separation anxiety, and when she would go to school, she didn't want to get out of the car. She had a lot of learning disabilities, and the school district just kept ignoring it. We fought them for a couple of years, and it just got to the point that they weren't listening to us. Her counselor suggested that we speak to an attorney, and she told me it was free through Children's. It wasn't any longer than a week and a half before we got the attorney to help us get the IEP.
Since 2016, we've been able to help thousands of families. We have been very focused on population health, housing, education, food insecurity, the need for medical benefits. There is no charge at all to them.
I was so happy. I think I cried actually because we are very low income. It was very stressful. Couldn't get help just because we're low income.
So often people don't know where to turn, and it's so helpful when our physicians and social workers can turn to Lawyers for Kids on behalf of their patients and families.
Families have needs that are so great and that I as a doctor can't solve for them. And I know particularly kids with disabilities, to really get to their full potential, needs a whole system around them. The lawyers that work with us are just so committed and so compassionate and just want to make things better for kids.
It was just amazing to find someone that understood where I was coming from and that I wasn't crazy, that I wasn't just being dramatic, that she really needed this extra help. And Lawyers for Kids listened to me.
If you decrease stress in a home, that increases the happiness and the health of everyone in that home.
Lily was very, very far behind in school because she wouldn't go or couldn't go. But Lawyers for Kids stood up for her and fought for her. Now she's reading, she's writing, she knows her alphabet where before she didn't. There's still things we're working on, but Lawyers for Kids, they're amazing. I just love them.